I'm going to go tour a house to buy on 66 acres in the deep backwoods of Appalachia, not far from the Ohio River and Kentucky, and the asking price is $229,000. Oh my goodness. This is wild. This is an adventure. So the owner hasn't been here in a long time, huh?
Years.
Bug out motor. Oh, look at that little church here in the country, man. Wow. Now that's a rural church.
You'll arrive in 1,000 feet.
For sale. Wow. Ah, this is crazy. There's the pond. Oh my goodness. This is wild. This is an adventure. Oh my goodness. You definitely need four-wheel drive to come up in here. Wow. Oh my goodness. How do you even turn around here, I wonder? This is treacherous. Oh, okay. All right. This is, yeah, it's beautiful up here.
Oh,
yeah, it's definitely high up in elevation. I don't have to worry about any flooding up here. So the owner hasn't been here in a long time, huh?
Years.
Wow.
Now that's the leak right above your head there.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
What it is, there's a bathroom right above here, and it was leaking, and that's
Leaking pipe
not a
leak.
roof leak.
Oh, okay. Okay.
What's going on?
Yeah, I mean, it's a pretty cool house.
It's
I mean,
neat
it's
house.
different, yeah. Something different than your ordinary. Wow, this is a pretty dated microwave.
Yeah.
What is this a room here? This which is this the master bedroom here? Or?
Yeah, that would be. Well, there may be one upstairs you could use too for,
Oh, okay.
for that.
So the owner he's an avid hunter or was an avid hunter?
Yeah, I think it was his sons and friends, and we'll go down the basement there later.
Okay. Okay, and this is the bathroom here, tub. Okay, 2 sinks. Yeah. Old school wallpaper, huh?
It is dated. It was built in 1976.
Yeah, I've got wallpaper in my house I'm getting rid of. It's a pain in the butt.
Oh,
to
really?
remove. Yeah.
So you're selling your place now, or?
No, I'm just fixing it up. This is I'm looking for a second property.
Yeah, are you a hunter, are you?
No, just like dirt bikes, ATVs, stuff like that. All right. I saw there was a ladder, I guess, for a lofted part or something. Is there?
Yeah, there's a
lofted
ladder
area.
right there, and there's a loft right there.
Okay. Yeah, I see it. Wow, steep ladder. That's nice.
The power's off.
Oh, no power? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Another room here.
Yeah, that'd be a bedroom, small bedroom.
What's up here? Is this
That's a loft area, just a
foyer? Just kind of looking up here. A little room up here, I guess.
There's a doorway up there too.
Oh, okay. Doorway to what? Where's that?
I don't
go to?
know where that goes in there. I don't know where it goes from there.
Wow. And then you got your room here. Double closets. Wow.
But like you say, your elevation's so
Yeah.
here. Even this puts you up, you can see a lot more.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful land. Yeah, I like the
gosh.
land. Yeah.
Most of the land is behind the house.
Uh-huh.
There's another room. I didn't see this one.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm pay attention. Oh, okay, another
Yeah,
room here. Kind of small, but yeah.
For an
It's
office.
nice, another
or
room.
something
Yeah,
like
office
that,
or something. Do you live around here?
No.
Oh, okay.
I live about an hour and a half, 2 hours from here.
Oh, wow. Oh, the
Yeah, we'll
basement.
check the
Okay.
basement out.
Now this is where the damage, you say, is.
What the hell?
The water intrusion, I guess.
Oh. Did Jeff tell you that, did he? Or was that?
On the disclosure statement. Yeah, he's told me too, but yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Got a shower here. Okay. All right. So it looks.
Oh, there's the furnace. I thought maybe that might have one.
Oh, I see here.
Oh, but it's got it.
So is this what he's referring to? This area here, or doesn't look too bad though.
Yeah.
I've seen worse.
There's really not been hardly anybody.
Yeah, he said a storage room, I guess, had structural or some. The disclosure statement said some type of water intrusion. Is it here? Is this dungeon or something here?
Yeah.
Thanks. That's cool. Okay, here we go. That doesn't look like any damage or anything I see on the wall.
Hey, my phone does work up here.
Yeah, I didn't know that. I know we had, some hills, but this is pretty high up from what I've.
Yeah. I don't know what the elevation is on this, but it's pretty high up. Some keys that he's given us, but nothing works on it. That's a big building.
Yeah. Too bad they couldn't get the lock off of it.
Yeah.
Do you know where the trail? I think there's a trail system. He said something about
I think you
hiking trail. Oh, you got to go back to. Okay, so it's like mostly sloped.
Yeah. Well, no. He said this goes back and it'll flatten out, and then it'll go up and flatten out. About like what we're.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a bit more remote than what I was looking for, though.
Yeah, well, you never know till you check them out,
Yeah. No, I'm glad I came up here. Yeah, this is. I always love to see, even if I'm not interested. It's nice to see these various unique country places. Yeah, I enjoy it. I love the country. It's a pretty cool house. It's too bad they didn't really keep up with it.
It needs some.
It needs some work.
And do a few things to it.
Yeah.
We have a bunch of calls on it.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah, they see the 66 acres like I did, and then you see, the pictures kind of make it look really.
Oh yeah, it's a beautiful looking house.
Yeah, it is, man. Yeah, that's a really nice, very scenic. If this weren't so rural, and it was closer to say at least 2 or 3 hours away from where I'm at, I would definitely consider it fixing up. But I would think 220. I don't know. That may be. Was it 229 again? 229. Ah, they get local TV. He's got the TV antenna.
Well, no, that is
Oh, for ham radio or something?
Yeah, I believe it is. But I think you can get TV off of it too.
Oh.
You need to get a satellite back here.
Yeah, most definitely. I work from home, so I need internet connection, and it's not too. Yeah, I looked at. You can get satellite, but they want $200 a month, and it's for very slow, ridiculously slow speeds.
Really?
Yeah.
Who was you?
I think Viasat, I think it was, or something like that. They have HughesNet, but that's even worse.
I'm on Northland Connect, and I don't have any trouble at all. I live out in the country.
I guess they think people are rich up around here, I guess. I don't know.
Well, I think you've probably seen that's not true.
Yeah.
Scary looking places, isn't it?
Yeah.
But you know what? Most of them people are good as gold.
Good people, good folks. Yeah. My final thoughts on the property. The house was in really bad shape. As soon as I stepped foot in the house, it reeked of mold. It had water damage. The house is severely outdated. It needs some serious renovation. That's probably going to cost at least $50,000 plus. Also, the 66 acres of land is really nice, but a lot of it was steep grade where you can't use it. And also, as far as internet access, I would have to go with satellite. And the only offering really was Viasat, and it was like $200 a month. And satellite internet is not good unless you go with Starlink. And I don't even know if Starlink's even available in that area. But I'll keep looking to find that perfect property, and I'll take you guys along with me. Thanks for viewing, and stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my All-in-One Motorcycle channel over at youtube.com/CycleCruiser. And also like me at Facebook. Catch you guys later.